Welcome. In front of me I have LENOVO Tab P11, and today I'll show you how you can use Face Unlock in this device, how Face Unlock works. So let's make a few tests. Let's make the small test. Let's make a few tries. So if I have to be honest, it works slow. As you can see, we have to wait for like 3 seconds until our device will be unlocked. But a good point that this Face Unlock recognizes my face every time, so I can say that it's reliable, but it's not fast, definitely. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.